Yes, my dear children, in the previous exercise, you have learned properties of determinants. Using the properties of determinants, you learned how to find, how to evaluate determinant of a 3 by 3 square matrix. Please prepare this exercise well, my dear children. Now come to the next exercise, 4.3 concepts. Please do the remaining sums which were not explained in that exercise. Which questions were not explained in that question in the exercise 4.2? You have to try the sums. Try the sums. Okay. Don't leave the sums. Not only exercise sums. Previously also I told you many times you have to practice example sums, miscellaneous examples, and miscellaneous exercise also. Only because of the time factor, we are not able to discuss every question in this class. Okay, my dear children, you have to practice by yourself. If you have any doubts, ask your doubts and get your doubts clarified. Please feel free to ask your doubts and get your doubts clarified. At the beginning of this chapter, determinants, we have discussed a point, that is, the concepts of determinants are used to solve a system of linear equations in 2 variables or in 3 variables. Very beginning of this chapter. Yes or no? Do you remember? Yeah. So this concept, that is determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, can be used to find area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. This entire exercise. In 10th class, you have studied area of a triangle. Do you remember what is the area of a triangle? Tell me formula for area of a triangle. In the plane geometry, can you tell me what is the area of a triangle in the plane geometry? Any one of you, don't you remember what is the area of a triangle?
Half into base into height, sir.
Very good, very good. Bresina, very good. Half into base into height. We use this formula in plane geometry. Now come to in the coordinate geometry. You have learned area of a triangle in coordinate geometry also. Do you remember that formula? Area of a triangle in coordinate geometry means the vertices of triangle will be given x1 comma y1, ordered pair x1 comma y1, ordered pair x2 comma y2, ordered pair x3 comma y3 will be given. If the vertices of a triangle is given, then what is the formula to find area of the triangle? Do you remember? Do you remember? X1 into 1 by 2 into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. You have learned this formula in 10th class itself. Area of a triangle in the coordinate geometry. This formula is used coordinate geometry. where A is equal to ordered pair x1 comma y1, B is equal to ordered pair x2 comma y2, and C is equal to ordered pair x3 comma y3 are vertices. These are vertices of triangle ABC. These are the vertices of triangle ABC. If the triangle ABC is given, then the vertices A, B and C, the ordered pair x1 comma y1 is the coordinates of the point A, x2 comma y2 ordered pair x2 comma y2 is the coordinates of the point B. Similarly, ordered pair x3 comma y3 are the coordinates of the point C. If vertices of triangle ABC are given, then we use this formula 1/2 modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, my dear children, these are the formulae you have learned in your earlier class. So this expression, if you take this expression, this can be written in the form of determinant 1/2 into det x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and the third column 1 1 1. That's all. By using the concepts of determinants, we can find the area of triangle ABC when the three vertices are given. 1/2 into det x1 y1 1. Second row elements x2 y2 1. Third row elements x3 y3 1. That's all. By substituting x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 in this formula, you can find area of the triangle. The same expression here we wrote x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. After expanding these expressions, we can write like this also, determinant in the form of a determinant. Okay, my dear children, by using the concepts of determinants, we can find area of a triangle. So, you know, area of a triangle is a non-negative number, non-negative real number. It may be 0 or it may always greater than 0. Okay, area of triangle is always positive. So, see, you have to remember this point. Since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinant. Let us consider this is 1. You know, generally we can get determinant of a matrix. It may be positive number, it may be 0, or it may be negative number. But we are using this concept of determinant to find area of a triangle. Even though if you get a negative number here, the determinant of a matrix, the determinant of this matrix is a negative number. In that case also, we had to consider it as a positive number. We have to take its absolute value, means magnitude. It's magnitude only, modulus. its modulus only we have to take the area of the triangle. This is the first point. And the second point, sometimes they will give the area of triangle if area is given. If area is given, this is the second case. Sometimes they will give area, they will give this value directly, but we have to find coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 or x3, y3. Any one coordinate will be missing. In that case, use both positive and negative, both positive and negative values of the determinant. They have to take positive and negative value of the determinant for calculation. Sometimes they will not give the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 or x3, y3. Any one of these 3 points. In these 3 vertices, they will miss any one of these 3 points, any one of these 3 vertices. In that case, they will give area of the triangle and any 2 vertices. Then we have to find third vertex. We have to find the third vertex. In that case, after finding the determinant, we have to take its positive value as well as its negative values. We have to take 2 values. This is another point. And the third point, if the 3 points are...
Sir, you need a notebook, sir.
The 3 points are collinear. Can you draw a triangle? If the 3 points are lying on the same line, can you draw a triangle?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So, in that case, area of the triangle is 0. We say that in that case, area of triangle is 0. The area of the 3 vertices of the triangle are collinear. If the 3 vertices of a triangle are collinear, then we can take area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to 0. If they give like this, area of the triangle is equal to 0, then we have to take this point. The 3 points are collinear. Okay, Metzilan, these are the main points for this exercise. Understood these points?
Yes, sir.
Can we go to the next point? Next sums. Now we have to go to sums. These are only the points for this exercise. These are only the concepts for this exercise. Okay. Now open the textbook. Open the textbook at page number 122. Page number 122. Page number 122. See the question number 1. In that question number 1, there are 3 parts. In the question number 1, have you opened the textbook? Have you all opened the textbook?
Yes, sir.
At page number 122, I wrote here clearly on this screen, 122. Okay, in that page number 122, see exercise 4.3, very down. Okay, very down that page number 122. Find the area of the triangle with the vertices at the point given in each of the following. Here I will explain one question. Will you try the remaining questions?
Yes, sir.
See, find the area of triangle. With vertices 1, 0, ordered pair 6, 0, ordered pair 4, 3. 3 points are given, 3 vertices of a triangle are given. We have to find area of the triangle. Let us consider the given points are A, B and C. For our convenience, let us consider the given points are A, B and C. Okay. Let A is equal to x1 comma y1. That is the first ordered pair. What is the first ordered pair? 1, 0. B is equal to x2 comma y2. Ordered pair x2 comma y2. That is equal to ordered pair 6 0. C is equal to ordered pair x3 comma y3. That is equal to ordered pair 4 3. These are the vertices of triangle ABC. ABC. Here 1 0, 6 0, and ordered pair here 4 3. Now, just we had to remember that formula, area of triangle. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 det x1, y1, 1. Second row elements x2, y2, 1. Third row elements x3, y3, 1. That's all. This is a simple formula to remember. Yes or no? x1, y1, 1. x2, y2, 1. x3, y3, 1. That's all. So in this formula, substitute x1, y1. What are x1, y1? 1, 0, 1. What are x2, y2? 6, 0, 6, 0, 1. What are x3 and y3? 4, 3, 1. This third column element is fixed. In the third column, every element in this third column is fixed, 1 only. Okay. In the first and second columns, we write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 respectively. Okay. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Now find the determinant. Now find the next part in rough form and tell me the answer. Don't copy all this one. Only take this determinant and find the value of the determinant. And tell me fast. Let me see who will give the answer fast. Find the determinant of this matrix. Find the determinant of the matrix. Let me see who will do it fast. Are you finding or not? Or simply
Finding, sir.
find it. Find it fast. Are you finding determinant? What 15 by 2? I asked here, Blessina, I asked here what is the value of determinant. That's all. I have already written 1 by 2. See this step. I have already written 1 by 2 into. What is the value of determinant? Tell me. Tell me, Blessina, and show me. Show me your answer, Blessina. Have you found it or not? Blessina? Hereafter, all of you turn on your cameras. All of you turn on your cameras. If anyone is not turning on your cameras, I will remove from the meeting. I will remove from the meeting. All of you turn on your cameras. Only Kevin Paul turned on. Shall I remove other children? Yes, Grayson also turned on. Find out the determinant. Yes,
Sir, I'm
Krupal.
getting -20, sir. Answer of determinant.
Minus 20.
Yes, sir.
One sec. One more. Otherwise, show me your answer. Where you have which row you expanded for finding determinant? First row or second row or third row?
First row, sir.
Okay, first row. Okay, tell me. Otherwise, tell me the steps. 1/2 into 1 into. What is the determinant? Small determinant.
Sir, 1 minute. I made one mistake, sir. 1 minute, sir.
0 1 0 1 3 1. Next minus 0 into minus 0. Otherwise, if you observe here, second column, if you observe second column, in the second column more number of zeros. Previously we have learnt properties of determinants. If more number of zeros are there in any row or any column, we can expand it for easier calculation. Plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Now I am expanding this determinant along second column because for easier calculation I selected here. I have selected second column. I am expanding this determinant along C2. So minus 0 into, I am not writing, plus 0 into, I am not writing here, minus 3 into 1161. 1161. What will you get here? Sorry. 1/2 into minus 3 into 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6. What will you get here? 1/2 into 1/2 into 15. Okay, that is 15/2 square units. This quantity denotes area of a triangle. That is why we should use square units. At the end of the step, at the end of that solution, we had to write square units. What, my dear Joseph, Kevin Paul, Pritika, Kiran Raj, Yaswant Ram, Krupal, Jiram Jasviraj, Stains Lenson, Ayush Singh, Blessina, Janani. Turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras. So 15/2 square units. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. I am not explaining the remaining parts of this question number 1. Show that A comma B plus C, B ordered pair, B comma C plus A, comma C ordered pair, C comma A plus B, or collinear. We have to show that these 3 points are collinear points. To show the 3 points are collinear, we have to show that area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. Okay. Given A is equal to x1 comma y1 ordered pair x1 comma y1, that is A comma B plus C. B is equal to ordered pair x2 comma y2, that is equal to ordered pair B comma C plus A. C is equal to ordered pair x3 comma y3, that is equal to ordered pair C comma A plus B. What is given here? You have to show that these 3 points are collinear. You have to show that these 3 points are collinear. We know that three points are collinear. By implies area of the triangle
Sir, you need to move the notebook, sir.
area of the triangle formed by the 3 points is 0. Area of the triangle formed by the 3 points is 0. So indirectly they have asked the area of this triangle only. They have asked the area of this triangle only. If you get 0 square units, if you get area of this triangle is 0 square units, finally we conclude this point. The 3 points are collinear. Okay, so let us find area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC. That is equal to 1 by 2. First we write formula. Determinant x1, y1, 1. Second row elements x2, y2, 1. Third row elements x3, y3, 1. In this formula, substitute the x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 values. x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 values. What are x1, y1? A, B plus C, 1. What are x2, y2? B, C plus A, 1. What are x3, y3? C, A plus B, 1. Okay. Okay, my dear children.
Yes, sir.
Just I have substituted x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. In the third column, 1. It is fixed. All the elements in the third column is 1 only. Now we have to find determinant of this matrix. Here I am using the properties of determinants. Otherwise you can find directly the determinant of this matrix. Okay. But I am using here properties of determinants. Properties of determinants. To easier calculation, I am using here properties of determinants. Apply C1 plus C2 plus C3. Sorry, apply C1 plus C2. That is enough. C1 plus C2. This is enough. C1 plus C2. Apply this column operation. Apply this column operation on C1. Can you tell me what are the elements will you get? On which column we are using the column operation? Tell me on which column we are using the
Column 1, sir.
Yes. Only column 1 elements will be changed. Column 2 and column 3 elements we write as it is. B plus C, B plus C, C plus A plus B. Third column elements 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then what will you get in C1? Can you tell me? C1 plus C2?
Sir, A plus B plus C, sir.
A plus B plus C. Next second row, first element.
Sir, B plus C plus A, sir.
So here also we can write A plus B plus C. Yes or no? By arranging the terms, we can write third row.
A plus B plus C, sir.
Very good, Kirandas. So first row, first element A plus B plus C. Second row, first element A plus B plus C. Third row, first element A plus B plus C. And if you observe here, in the first column, all the elements are same. So can we take this as common factor? Can we take it out common factor?
Yes, sir.
Taking out the common factor. Taking out the common factor A plus B plus C from C1. Yes or no? From C1 only we are taking out the common factor. So 1 by 2 into A plus B plus C. Whatever the common factor we are taking out, we write it before the determinant symbol. Then tell me the elements in the determinant. Tell me. Anyone, can you tell me? Joseph.
Sir, 1.
Tell me the elements in this determinant symbol. We are taking out the common factor A plus B plus C from C1. So C1 elements will be changed. What are the elements? Tell me.
1, sir.
1.
1, sir.
Yes, very good, Lesina. And we write second column and third column elements as it is. B plus C, C plus A plus B. Here 1, 1, 1. Okay, if you observe C1 and C3, first column and third column, they are identical. Yes or no? They are identical. You know, there is a property. If any two rows or any two columns are identical, then what is the determinant of that matrix? If any two rows or any two columns are identical, what is the value of the determinant of the matrix?
It will be 0, sir.
0. Very good. So no need to expand. No need to expand this determinant by using properties. Since C1 and C3 are identical, that is why determinant of this matrix is 0. That is equal to 0. We got here area of the triangle is 0 square units. 0 square units. Therefore, what can you say here? We got area of the triangle ABC is 0. Therefore, what do you say here about triangle ABC? The points, what do you say about the points ABC?
Sir, they are collinear, sir.
Very good. So we write the conclusion. Therefore, points A, B, C are collinear. That's all. Understood this point? Understood this question, my children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now come to the next question. Fourth question. Sorry, third question. In the third Roman, there are two parts. In the third Roman, there are two parts. Here I will explain only one part. Please try the remaining part. Question number 3. I am explaining here first part. What is the question here? Find the values of k. Find the values of k if area of triangle is 4 square units and the vertices are. Okay. So let the given vertices. Let the given vertices of triangle ABC be A is equal to x1 comma y1, that is equal to ordered pair k comma 0. Let us take the second point B, ordered pair x2 comma y2, that is equal to ordered pair 4 comma 0, and third point is a C ordered pair x3 comma y3, that is equal to ordered pair 0 comma 2. So here three vertices are given, and moreover area of the triangle is also given, but in these three vertices here x coordinate is not given. X coordinate is missing here. They have given as k, they have not given as a numerical value. Yes or no? We have to find the value of k here. Given area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 square units. Here it is given that area of the triangle is 4 square units. This implies, let us take here, in LHS, let us write the formula 1 by 2 into det x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equal to, previously also we told the third point in the remark, second point, if the area of the triangle is given, we have to take positive and negative values. We have to take positive and negative. So actually it is given as 4. So we have to write it as plus or minus 4. We have to take it as a plus or minus 4. This implies 1 by 2 into, in this formula, in this determinant, substitute x1, y1, k, 0, 1. Second row elements 4, 0, 1. And the third row elements 0, 2, 1 is equal to plus or minus 4. Since area of the triangle is given, so we have to take plus value and also negative value. Positive and negative values should be considered. We have to consider positive and negative values. Okay, my children. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, here to find determinant of this matrix. Okay, let us move this 1 by 2 to RHS, and at the same time expand this determinant. Which row or which column will you select to expand the determinant for easier calculation?
Second column, sir.
Yes, very good. Second column. Second column. So you have to remember this sign matrix. It is important. What is a sign matrix? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This is important. So we are expanding this determinant along C2. So here minus symbol is there. Minus into 0. No need to write this first term. Similarly, plus 0 into. No need to write the second term also. Simply we can write the third term. What is a minus sign? Minus 2 into, close this row and this column. What will get? K1, 4, 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I have moved this 1 by 2 to RHS. Then we get plus or minus 8. Understood this step? By expanding the determinant along C2. Understood this step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, can we go to the next step?
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 into, this implies minus 2 into this implies minus 2 into, what will you get here? Cross multiplication, k into 1, k minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 4. Okay. k minus 4 is equal to, if you send minus 2, if you transpose minus 2 to RHS, then it becomes minus r plus 4 by 2. Minus is there, so we are changing plus or minus as minus r plus by 2. Minus r plus by 2. Okay. 2 1 times, 2 2 times. So k minus 4 is equal to minus r plus 2. Minus r plus 2. Okay, this implies k minus 4 is equal to minus 2. We take one equation. Similarly, k minus 4 is equal to plus 2. We have to take two equations and solve the equations. Then k is equal to minus 2 plus 4. This implies k is equal to 2. This implies k is equal to 2 plus 4. This implies k is equal to 6. These are the values of k. Understood, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Once you go through the solution one more time, go through the solution. What are the steps we have followed? What are the steps we have followed for finding the value of k? Once go through the solution. Here you should remember, you should take plus or minus. The area of the triangle is given. We have to take in our RHS, we have to write it as plus or minus. Please remember this point. Okay.
So the answer in the textbook is 0,8, sir.
Huh? 0,8. Once let us check. Oh, sorry, here plus or minus 8 is there. Here, see there, last step. The previous page, see here, last step plus or minus 8 is there. Okay. But I wrote here plus or minus 4. So here plus or minus 4. Minus 4. Here we have to take minus 4. Here we have to take plus 4. In this step, I wrote mistake. In this step, in the previous step, I wrote 4. I thought there are 4 plus or minus 4, not plus or minus 4, plus or minus 8. See, previous step, just to be above that step, plus or minus 8 is there in RHS. In the place of plus or minus 8, I wrote by mistake plus or minus 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you get the answer 0,8. K values are 0,8. You should be very careful in writing the steps. Okay, my children?
Yes, sir.
One more question is there in this Roman number 3. Please try the next question. Okay, as homework. And two more questions are there. Question number 4 and question number 5. Question number 5 is MCQ question. Question number 5 is MCQ. Question number 4. In the question number 4, we have to find equation of the line joining the 2 points. Okay. Here also we use area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is 0. By using the concept, we find equation of the line. We will discuss this point in the next class. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you can leave the meeting. Now the time is 2 past 17 minutes. 2 past 17 minutes. You can leave the meeting, my dear children. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children.
Thank you, sir.
Stay safe. Sanitize your hands frequently.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. and maintain social distance of 2 meters away
Thank
from
you, sir.
others, and do your work sincerely and seriously. Thank you all. Thank you, my dear children. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, Grayson. Thank you, Joseph.